Hello guys, now I show you how to get or change your skin in Minecraft. First, go to Minecraft skins.com and then choose your skin and then I choose this, the Project Gamer. Download and then move into desktop, then delete this and then copy, paste and then remain Steve. Steve. Yes. And then this. Remain Alex. Yes. And then delete your. And then go to update. Shift. And then press the number 5. Update. And then shift again and press 5. To Minecraft version. Make sure your version is 1.12 and then copy, paste, jar, set Minecraft texture, infinity, delete your old skin, Alex, and then let's stick, and then move your new skin, and then done, and then open Minecraft. Schemer. Wait.
Ano binili niyo? Di ba ikaw natin?
Hmm.
Ha? Ilan?
Isa nga.
Isa?
Hmm.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Hindi nga. Single player. And then now diba? Enjoying your new skin. Bye.